The Aloha Medical Mission is doing many great things on many fronts, including free dental clinics and surgical missions. And to learn more, we've invited in Toni Muranaka and Julie Gamboa. Nice to have you here.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank you so much.
You're so known for your missions, and you're talking about dental clinics, but let's get started with some of these missions. Tell me about some of the services you're offering for others in need.
When we go on our surgical missions, we do a lot of gynecological projects because of the women in third world countries don't get the same amount of attention. We also, with our general surgeries, we have plastics, and we have a dental portion which is actually pretty busy. And also we do things like we have prosthesis for people who have amputations or birth defects. And we actually install solar suitcases in places that doesn't have enough electricity because women die giving birth because they don't see the bleed later on.
You just take so much for granted of the level of care that are offered here in third world countries. Clearly are not getting the same type of support without volunteers and doctors working with you guys. Well, at home as well, there's also the focus on the free dental clinic. So this is something we want to be sure to tell our audience about. Toni, tell me all about that.
Oh, I'm so happy you're asking about it because the free dental clinic is 100% no cost. We do not charge patients, nor do we bill insurances. And how this all started was that we were medical, and we were teaming up with IHS. They needed space, so we were forced to get our own home. So right now, we see about 300 patients a month.
You're kidding.
For the homeless, the uninsured, underinsured, we do provide prosthesis, which is dentures for women who had been abused or incarcerated. And then we also provide care for the keiki. Not really care, but education, which is so important. And that's where we have this book. We teach the kids how to brush their teeth, and we have a little chart in the back.
Look at that right there. It's the cavity fighting bear.
Yes.
That's something, and there's a little chart. So
for them to brush their teeth.
I need that for my kids. They do a good job, but you know, it really is such a gateway in so many issues. My sister's a dentist, so I know all about this, and you can see a lot of problems that start in the mouth that people don't even know, especially the kids.
Absolutely, and when a newborn arrives to this world, the mom needs to be healthy. So without a healthy mouth, she can transfer that unhealthy disease to the baby. So it's very important to have a
They could actually go into preterm labor. I was taught by gynecologists. If they don't take good care of their teeth, mothers can give birth early and be low weight, high risk for the child. So it's very important.
Julie, I want to ask you, it must be so gratifying. We're looking at these before and after pictures, and that's incredible, but also just getting that and the gratitude that you must get from helping people who wouldn't have these types of medical options available normally.
Yeah, it's overwhelming. A lot of us, say we catch a mission bug, and thinking about it makes me tear up. And if you ask any of my mission mates, it's like a drug. You want to keep going, helping people, and then it just, all the stuff that you can do to pay forward is overwhelming. I'm crying already. No, it's not at all. It's just, it's amazing. Touching. And it's not just the help that you give, it's a ohana you make with the missions. It's life-changing. You make lifetime friends.
And Toni, as executive director, too, to be part of the ohana that's able to do this. How big an organization are you?
We're very tiny. We have about 9 staff. We have 1 part-time dentist, and we have 16 volunteer dentists.
Wow.
Then we have really a lot of wonderful people like Julie that go all over the world saving lives and changing lives for our mission. So we have our Hawaii mission, and then we have our global missions. So
are you looking to recruit more people who can come and help you better serve our population?
Absolutely. We're always looking for people to help us. So please, if you can go to our website, and you can fill out an inquiry form, and you can just share your desires, what skills you have and how you can help us.
And a big heart to help. And Toni and Julie, keep up the good work. Thank you so much for dropping by Living808.
Thank you for having us. We appreciate it.
Well, absolutely. We have a lot more coming up, including a children's classic returning. This one's expected to make a big splash at the movie theaters. What's happening in Hollywood is up next.